I am Mohammad Firdaus. I am an English teacher of Bag Asra Islamia Dakhil Madrasa. This madrasa is established in Blaise Bag Asra, Post Office Pigna, Police Station Shoishabari, and District Jamalpur. Khondokar Atiyar Rahman sir is the founder of this madrasa. Maulana Muhammad Ali Asgar sir is the principal of this madrasa. This is a historical madrasa. Every student of this madrasa studies attentively and get good result in every public examination. This madrasa has natural beauty. If you enjoy natural beauties, if you come here to visit this madrasa, thank you.